hope you all are doing well today. Welcome to another edition of Programming with Mrs. Hughes. Our objective for today is students will create a Python program to read user data. Our vocabulary: input function, a function that reads user data. And the input function is written as input, open parentheses, close parentheses. And as always, class, remember to have your paper and pencil out and taking notes, because I want you to be able to write a program after this presentation is over with. All right, let's begin. The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to open up our browser and go to the website Replit. And our language that we're using is Python. Now, on the first line, we're going to type our comment. And how does Python know that this is a comment line? Because we start all our comments off with a hashtag mark. All right, so our first comment line is going to tell the user what the program does. A program that reads user data. All right. Now on our next line, we're going to call our input function. Now our input function has two jobs. The first job is that it's going to print out whatever's inside the quotation marks. So the input that I want to receive is the name of the user. So I'm going to type, please enter your name. And it displays it exactly how I type it. Please enter your name. So when I hit run, it displays please enter your name. But if you notice, the program has not stopped. It hasn't stopped because it's waiting on the input from the user. That's what the input function does. It waits for the input before it proceeds. So let's type in a name. I'm going to type Sally. All right. So I typed Sally, and now it has stopped running, okay, because the program is finished. Now, since the user has typed Sally, we want to take Sally. We want to store the name Sally somewhere, okay, so that we can use that name later on in our program. So in order to do that, we're going to, remember I said I want to store this name into a variable. So the variable that I'm going to use will be name, okay? Whatever the user types in for their name, that name is going to be stored in the variable name, okay? So I have name equals input. Now, I'm going to use that name in a sentence. And I'm going to display that sentence on the screen. So in order to display that sentence on the screen, I'm going to have to type the print function. And then I'm going to type hello. Okay, this is what I want to be displayed on the screen. So I'm going to type hello. The word hello will be displayed. Now, if I type hello name, that's going to be displayed. See, it says hello name. But I don't want the actual word name to be displayed. I want what's inside of the variable. I want what's stored inside the variable name to be displayed. So whatever that user types in, that's what I want to be displayed. So in order for that to happen, I can't put name inside the parentheses. Okay, I'm going to have to put a comma first of all after the quotation marks. And then I'm going to call the variable name like that. Okay, and when I call the variable name without the quotation marks, that's going to take that value that's stored inside name and print it onto the screen. So let's see. Hit run. Let's do Bobby. Hello, Bobby. Let's run again. Let's do Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Okay. So that's how Python reads user data. Now it's your turn. I want you to create a program that reads user data. Have fun.